Okay, so this next step, we're going to be attaching the hair replacement. We're doing it semi-permanently, and we're doing that on purpose because, like Glenn mentioned, he started with a semi-permanent hair bond, and he wore that for the first month, and then he came in about 4.5 weeks. What I do differently, like he mentioned before I attach this, is I look at the client's scalp and I identify what attachments are best for them, their livelihood, what they do, whether they're playing handball or they want to wear something where they don't have to take it off. You can do that. So I still give my client a personal satisfaction. They can choose what attachment is best for them. Being that said, Glenn's decided he wants to be able to take the unit on and off himself.
If I have to.
If he has to.
It's not something I enjoy doing.
And I showed him how. He didn't just put it on himself.
Not that it hurts or that it's hard to do. It's just, you know, I just as soon have somebody else do it. You know.
Being that said, this is a custom unit. It's not a stock ready-made. It took approximately 2 months or so to get in from my actual factory overseas, and I customized every single area according to his hair color. If you notice, he has different color percentages of gray from the sides to the back. So this hair unit, once it's all cut in, will blend evenly all around the perimeter edge and on top. Then I gave him choices on how much gray he wanted in the front and the top crown. Some people like a lot of gray, some don't. So I give you an opportunity to be involved and just do a custom piece and say, see you in 2 months, we'll put it on. Also, he's going to wear it semi-permanent, so he will have a certain type of tape that I will show him how to use to attach this on and off himself. Now let's say 2 months from now he comes in and says, you know what, I'm going somewhere and I'm going to be gone for a while. Put this unit on so I don't take it on and off every day. He has that choice as well. So I may end up doing a soft bond or a hard bond depending on how long he's going to go in between service. Majority of my clients come every 4 to 6 weeks because they don't want to take this unit on and off themselves, but not everyone. So that's what makes me different than a hair club. I specify and customize it to each person's individual needs.